Hey you guys, it's Tanya. What's going on? So, I am home. I am so excited to be home. I am loving this ring light cell phone holder. Best thing ever. Thank you, Amazon. Anyway, I'm so glad to be home. It's been a very long day. It's about 9:49, and so I have not worked out today, you guys. I haven't had time. I got home, I guess, around 5ish. I first went immediately to my mom's. I always want to see my mom before I get home because I know once I go home, I'm checking out. And so I spent some time with my mom, and then I came here and unwrapped some. I literally unpack everything that needs to be unpacked for the most part when I come home. There's still a few things I still need to unpack, but for the most part, everything's done. I do it in stages. Like every time I bring something upstairs, I unpack it. I can't go downstairs to get the rest of the stuff until I've gotten everything put in its place. So everything is unpacked and put away. I say that to say, what did I eat today? So for breakfast, I told you guys I had the breakfast burrito that I made myself, homemade, with chorizo, eggs, onion and cheese. So good. What did I have for lunch? Oh, you know what? I stopped at the outlets, and so I got some Harry and David honey roasted cashews, and there was some peanut butter pretzels that were on sale, so I got some of those, but I only ate a little bit of that, and that's it. I haven't eaten anything else today, which is not good. So I will be eating something before I go to bed. Probably some like something, a frozen vegetable or something, or some soup, just so that I have food in my stomach before I go to sleep. Because if not, I will wake up in the middle of the night with a growling stomach, and I'm not feeling that. But I wanted to tell you guys. So even though I didn't work out today, I have been moving so much from unpacking and packing, or packing and unpacking, that I looked at my Fitbit app before I started this video, and I had 17,688 steps a day. I'm gonna repeat that. 17,688 steps a day. So you guys, my lower back is a little fatigued. I can feel like a slight discomfort because my back is tired, and that happens usually when I walk this much or take this many steps. My back is sore. So I'm very proud of the steps, but I'm so tired right now. Like I just want to go to sleep. I wiped off. I had tried on a little bit of makeup that I bought, and I had to wipe it off before I started this video, so I look crazy because I didn't put a primer on, so it was like all up in here and down in here. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to come in here and check in with you guys, let you know what's going on. But yeah, I did eat pretty well today. I'm gonna eat something before I go to bed. I did not work out today, but I am gonna work out. As you can see behind me, this is my go-to. So I'll work out tomorrow, and we'll start working on a regimen and start working on I guess you could say a more controlled video with a set plan. So, and I'm gonna also have some other videos coming up too. I think what I'm gonna do is modify and not do a vlog video every single day, because you guys are gonna get bored. I mean, it's gonna be the same thing because I'm gonna meal prep now that I'm home. So I'm literally gonna be eating the same thing every day. I promise you, it's gonna be either vegetables with chicken or vegetables with scallops and shrimp. That's it. I'm gonna do the same kind of workout. I'm gonna start incorporating weights. That's a lie. I don't know why I just said that. I'm gonna start incorporating push-ups and sit-ups. And I mean, that's it. So it's gonna get boring after a while. I will start probably adding some videos. Like I'll do a video that'll talk about the recipe, like show you a recipe how to make something. So we'll see. I'm still gonna try to do some kind of daily video, but I just want you guys to know it probably won't be a daily weight loss video because I just feel like it's gonna get monotonous. Did I use that word correctly? I feel like I didn't. But so yeah, I'm gonna stop talking because I'm getting slap happy. And let me tell you, literally 10 minutes ago, I dropped a brand new bottle of tea tree oil, and it dropped onto my tile floor and cracked. But then it bounced, and after it cracked, it bounced and landed on the carpeted area. So I had to rush into action to get the tea tree up. But when I tell you guys, my eye feels like it's twitching because the tea tree smell is so freaking strong. Like, I literally had to, I'm using literally a lot, so I apologize. I had to wrap the glass jar and the remnants that I swept up in my little sweeper, mini broom, and dustpan. I had to wash the mini broom and dustpan, and I had to grab the garbage bag and like tie it off and put it inside 2 other garbage bags. Yeah, that's how strong the smell is, but I can still smell it. But enough about my tea tree oil. I'm so upset because I just bought that. The Glam Twins, Kendra had recommended it, and I thought it took a while to get to me because it was on a back order, and I've been using it for 3 days, and when I tell you that stuff works, oh my gosh. It literally burns the skin so that it scabs to produce new skin. But that stuff is awesome. It is some really strong, pure tea tree oil. So I'm going to have to spend money and order a new one. So my heart is broken because literally I just got it. I just got it maybe 4 days ago, and I broke it. Anyway, you guys, I will talk to you tomorrow. Oh, and tomorrow I had a little, I'm not going to, because I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but I'm going to talk to you tomorrow about what my day was. And it's going to be so fun. I'm so excited. All right, I'll talk to you later. Holla.